Today I am going to talk about a very important topic, that why we feel always tired. Why I am saying this? Because I have been suffering from it for a long period of time. That's why I am sharing it with you. First, you have to understand that my topic is for those people who have a strong and sharp brain line. Here, this is this is a brain line. Everyone has this, but brain line sometimes ends here. Straight brain line. Some of us have different types of brain line that ends um, below the straight brain line. My video is for those people who have straight brain line. Those who have a straight brain line, they think um, they think logically, but those who don't have, they think differently. My video is only for those who have a straight brain line, mind it. So mm, if you have a straight brain line, then what happens with you? Suppose a problem occurs. What will you do? You just think about the problem, then what can be in future. You will think logically. It will follow the logic, and at the end it will create a result, and based on the result, you you will based on the result, you will um, take it, um, yours problem or yours benefit, this type. This type. But those who are not like this, they won't take it like that. Suppose you don't have money, then what will you do? You will think, I have no money, then what can happen with me, and in future what will happen with me, and then you will be upset. uh, the most important thing here is that brain takes most of the energy. When brain process a thing and thinks logically to create a result, it takes huge energy. But those who don't think a lot, they don't waste energy. This is the main point, that your brain is logical thinker. Your brain is a logical thinker. That's why if you don't take it easy, it will then think and try to create a result, and that's why it will take your energy to make the to produce the result. And if you don't work, it won't stop. It will work as it is. So what should you do? You have to work. You should not waste your time with laziness. If you do that, then you will find that you don't work, but you don't have energy also. Why this happens? Because of this. Because your brain is running. So If you if you take a problem and correct it, then your brain focuses on the problem. If you don't take the problem, then your brain focus another thing, and it will work. Your brain is such a type of brain that cannot stop. Either you have to meditate to control it or to stop it, or you have to you have to take problem, and by that way you have to control your brain. Otherwise it will take problem from our um, from our daily life, and and produce negative result. Maximum time negative results it can create, and that will hamper your health. It is taking mass of the energy of yours, and at the end of that, it if it is negative, then it will hamper your health, your mental health, your physical health. So if you are meditative minded people, then you can use meditation to remove this, or to control your brain. So with a sharp brain, with a sharp brain line, those who have a sharp brain line, we should use our brain in a correct way. Otherwise it will hamper ourselves and our nervous system. If we take a problem, it can help us to correct it by far better way than others, because your brain is far more better than others. So why you don't use it? If you don't use it, it won't stop. It will take it will take any another problem, as as in whatever you faces in your daily life. The most important problem it will take, and start to work on that. That will take use energy from you, and it may be you don't do anything. You are sleeping, or you are in rest, but it is working. So this is the reason that you are feeling tired always. So from this, to cover this, if you want to cover this, you can do mudra, that is pran mudra. This is the type. You have to use it on both hands. If you are busy with works, you can do it only on your left hand, but use it. And if you feel more anxious, hot, then to cool your brain, you can take another thing, that inhale. What I am doing, just focus. Inhale by your nose, inhale through your nose, and exhale through your mouth. It will do do it just 10 times, and you yourself understand the result. It will heal you so quickly. So that's all for today. Next time I will discuss about another problem. Thank you.